Yeah, very good morning to everyone. In the last lecture, I have shown you the method called Cramer's rule. Using that method, we can solve any linear equation. Okay, so let's see few examples of it again. Here, I am going to start with the practice set 1.3. In that, I am taking question number 3. In that, third question is there. Okay, so practice set 1.3, question number 3, third question I am taking. The very first step in the Cramer's rule is what? That first you will number your equations. So I am numbering my equations first. X plus 2y is equals to minus 1. Equation number 1. And 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. This is my equation number 2. Now after numbering the equations, just check whether your numbers or the equations, they are in the standard form. What is your standard form, students? Your standard form is ax plus by is equals to c. Okay, so your equations should be in this form. X and y should be together and your constant number should be on the other side. So if I compare this with this, I am saying that these equations, they are in the standard form. Okay, so you can say that x, y and your constant. Okay, so it means it is in the standard form. Both the equations are in the standard form. So if both the equations are in the standard form, the very next step is that you will find out, here two equations are there, right? So students, the next step will be comparison. Okay, so what you will write down? Comparing equation 1 and equation 2 with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2 we get. Okay, सो क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशंस है, इसके लिए मैं सिर्फ ये नहीं लिख सकती बिकॉज टू इक्वेशंस आते हैं ना. सो मुझे ए की जगह पे a1, इसके लिए a1, b1 and c1 I have to take, and for this I have to take a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. After comparing this, students, a1 in place of a1 nothing is there, then 1 is there always. Okay, so in place of a1 I am getting 1. ओके, नथिंग इज देयर देन 1 इज देयर. कोएफिशिएंट जनरली करना क्या है? कोएफिशिएंट फाइंड आउट करने. सो ये सारे कोएफिशिएंट्स है. 1 इज देयर, देन हियर b1 दैट इज 2 इज देयर एंड c1 which is equals to minus 1. So I got a1, b1 and c1. In the similar manner you will get for a2 also, which is 2, then b2 which is equals to minus 3 and c2 equals to 12. So in this manner we got a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. After getting this, we will be moving towards the next step, and that is finding out the values of d, dx and dy. So the next step is finding out d. So to find out d, we will be using this determinant. Okay, ये determinant use करेंगे. Determinant है अपना, इस determinant को बोलते हैं a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, this determinant you are going to use. This you have to by heart. Okay, d find out करते time a1, a2, b1, b2 you have to take. So let's substitute the values and get the answer. So what is the value of a1? I am having here 1. It is 2. It is 2. It is minus 3. So now minus 3 ones are minus 3. Multiply by 2 twos are minus 3 ones are minus 3, minus sign we will put in between, 2 twos are 4. So the final answer I will get minus 7 for d. Okay, so the value of d I got here, which is equals to minus 7. Then after getting the value of d, you will move toward the finding out the value of dx. Okay, so to find out the value of dx, you will be using which determinant here? You will be using this determinant. C1, C2, B1, B2. Okay, this you have to by heart. Now put the value of C1 C2, B1, B2 to get your answer. -1, 12, 2, -3. Okay, now multiply. -3 into -1, 3 you will get. Okay, this multiplication you will perform. Then 12 twos are, in between minus sign you will put 12 twos are 24. So I will get -21 here. Okay, 3 minus 24. After getting this, you will find out dy. So to find out dy, students, here you will use this formula: a1, a2, c1, c2. Okay, now put the value. a1 is equals to 1, a2 is equals to 2, -1 and 12. 12 ones are 12, माइनस साइन यू विल पुट इन बिटवीन. ओके, ये दोनों का जो मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है इनके बीच में हमेशा माइनस साइन पुट करना होता है. देन 2 इंटू -1 इज -2. सो फाइनली आई विल गेट 12 plus 2, minus is plus. So the answer is 14. Okay, so in this manner we got the value of d, dx and dy. Now the next step is very simple here, which is your last step, by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, x you will get by this formula, dx upon d, and y you will get by this formula, dy upon d. Okay, so simply you have to use this formula and you have to get the answer for x and y. So dx is equals to -21, d is -7. So if I will do the calculation of this, I will get 3. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. Then for y, I will do the same thing, but instead of dx, I will put dy here, 14. Then I will put the value of d, which is -7. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So minus sign will persist. So y is equals to -2. Now only the last thing that you all have to remember is to write down the answer in words. So x you write down always first 3, then comma -2 is a solution to the given simultaneous equation. Okay, so students, again I am just revising all the steps. The very first step, first you will check whether your equation is in this form or not. If it is in this form, then you will number it 1 and 2. After numbering it, you will compare it and comparing with these two, and you will get a1, b1, c1, that those are the coefficients, and a2, b2 and c2. After getting this, you will find out the value of d, then dx, then dy, and finally by Cramer's rule you will get the values of your variable x and y, which I am getting here 3 and -2, and you will write down the answer in word, which will give you full marks for this question. Okay, so let's move toward the next example. Okay, your example number 4 and 5 are quite easy, so I'm not taking them. I'm going to start with the question number 6 here. Okay, again students, first you check whether your equations, they are in the standard form or not. So if I am seeing that my equations, they are in the standard form. X and y are together, constant is on the other side. Here also x and y are together, constant is on the other side. So first step is to number the equations. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, equation number 1, and x minus y upon 2, which is equals to 1 upon 2, equation number 2. Now after doing this, you will compare your equations. Compare with what? So here I will write down comparing equation 1 and 2 with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. We get, okay, what we will get students, let's see. Here I'll get a1 is equals to 2. Okay, this is a1, b1, c1. So a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is 2. Then I'll get a2. a2 is 1. Okay, nothing is there, then 1 is always there. So 1. Then b2 is, if nothing is there, then 1 is there, student. So 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2. Okay, coefficient is 1 upon 2. And value of C2 is also 1 upon 2. So in this manner I got A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Then I'll start with finding out the value of D. Value of D is what? It is A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, so let's substitute the values and let's get the answer. So 2, 1 and 3, 1 upon 2. Okay, I substituted. Now I am doing the multiplication. Okay, so this multiplication comes first. 2 multiply by 1 upon 2. Then minus sign you will put, 1 into 3 you will do. So 2 get cancel. 3 ones are 3. I'll get minus 2 as the answer for D. Now same manner you will find out dx. So what is dx? dx is c1, c2, b1, b2. Now put the values of c1 and c2, which are 2 and 1 upon 2. Put the values of b1 and b2, which are 3 and 1 upon 2. So if I'll multiply them, what I'll get? I'll get 2 multiply by 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiply by 1 upon 2. So basically 2 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 upon 2, 3 ones are 3 upon 2. यहाँ पे मैंने 2 कैंसिल क्यों नहीं किया? बिकॉज उसको कैंसिल अगर करूँगी तो मेरा कॉम्प्लिकेशन बढ़ेगा. सो टू अवॉइड द कॉम्प्लिकेशन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल नॉट कैंसिल दिस आउट, क्योंकि दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा ना अगर मैं इसको कैंसिल नहीं करूँगी. सो दैट्स वाई मैंने यहाँ पे वो कैंसिल नहीं किया जैसे यहाँ पे किया था. Okay, so according to your convenience you do. So I am getting minus 1 upon 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 upon 2. So I am getting the value of dx as minus 1 upon 2 here. Then I will get the value of dy. What is dy? dy is a1, a2, c1, c2. So now put the value. a1 is 2. This is 1, 2, 1 upon 2. Okay, let's start. 2 multiply by 1 upon 2 minus 2 ones are 2. So 2 I'll cancel. 1 minus 2. So I'll get minus 1 as the answer. Now the next step will be using the Cramer's rule. Okay, so here I'm writing by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon d. So put the value of dx, which we have got as value of dx. What we get it? dx is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, this is minus 2, this is minus 1. So minus 1 upon 2. Then value of d I got equals to minus 2. So let's solve it. It is quite easy. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 1 upon 2 और ये जो 2 है ना इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. 2 इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो इट बिकम 2 2s are 4. सो x का वैल्यू बन गया 1 upon 4. देन y विच इज dy. dy का वैल्यू क्या है? dy का वैल्यू है -1. d का वैल्यू है -2. So I will get the final answer 1 upon 2. So I got y is equals to 1 upon 2. So I will write down my final answer 1 upon 4 comma 1 upon 2, always x comes first then y. 1 upon 4 comma 1 upon 2 is a solution of given simultaneous equation. Okay, so let us revise again what I have done here in this example, students. See, first you will get the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. After getting this, you will find out D. Okay, then dx, dy. Okay, all these values you will substitute here in the Cramer's rule. So those all values I have substituted here only. You pay attention. 2 into 2 multiply हो जाएगा and it will become 4. So x is equals to 1 upon 4. So I will write down my final answer. 1 upon 4 comma 1 upon 2 is a solution of given simultaneous equations. Okay. So now the next method which I am going to teach you today all is graphical method. Okay, so the very first method I have taught, that was equating the coefficient method. The second method which I have taught you all is Cramer's rule, and the third method which we are going to learn today is graphical method. Okay, so let's start with the graphical method now. Now in graphical method I am starting with your practice set 1.2. डिटेल जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है इसका मैं बाद में दूंगी. हम लोग पहले प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 में एक सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल है, हम लोग उसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, अभी उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 में 2 इक्वेशंस आर गिवन टू यू ऑल. ये 2 इक्वेशंस को हमें इन ये जो तुम लोग को दिख रहा है यहाँ पे खाली बॉक्सेस है, ये खाली बॉक्सेस को वी हैव टू फिल. Okay, so how we are going to fill it? Quite easy it is. This is your equation, right, students? So what you will do here, see, this is your first step in this equation. Okay, this is my equation, x plus y is equals to 3, first equation. Okay, so ये equation में क्या करूँगी, y is equals to 0 डालूंगी. So what I'll put y is equals to 0, because उन्होंने 0 दिया है ना, so मैं डाल रही हूँ 0. So therefore what I'll get, x plus 0, y के जगह पे आ गया 0 is equals to 3. So I got x is equals to 3. So x के जगह पे आ गया 3. So यहाँ पे सोल्यूशन सेट लिखेंगे 3, 0. 3 is x and ये 0 जो है वो y कोऑर्डिनेट है. देन उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाते हैं, हम x के जगह पे -1 डालेंगे, बिकॉज उन्होंने -1 दिया. सो पुट x इज इक्वल्स टू -1. ओके, सो चलो पुट करते हैं x के जगह पे -1 प्लस y इज इक्वल्स टू 3. सो -1 becomes +1 here and you will get y is equals to 4. So y का वैल्यू क्या मिला, 4. So you will write down your solution set -1, 4. And last one they have given to you all, which is 0, -4. So समझ में आ रहा है, we are getting the points. ये जो पॉइंट्स है हम अगर ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करेंगे वी विल गेट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये जो पॉइंट्स है ना, ये यहाँ पे जो मिले वो हम लोग अगर ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करेंगे, हम लोग ने 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है हाउ टू प्लॉट दी पॉइंट्स ऑन द ग्राफ. सो इफ वी विल पुट दीज पॉइंट्स ऑन द ग्राफ वी विल गेट दी स्ट्रेट लाइन विच इज योर लीनियर इक्वेशन. So let's start. Let's start with the second equation, which is this equation. Okay, so let's start. Here what I'll do, first I'll put y is equals to 0. Okay, so I'll put y is equals to 0 here. Let's start. X minus 0 is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 I'll get. So I got the value of x here, which is 4. So I'll get the point 4, 0. Then in the similar manner, second one, which is -1. So I'll put x is equals to -1. So here I'll put x is equals to -1. So let's put it. X is equals to -1 minus y is equals to 4. So if you'll put it, -1 will become +1. This minus sign I'll shift on that side. Now it will become -5. So x is equals, y is equals to -5 I got, and my point will be -1, -5. Okay. Then इसके बाद में only next step is remaining, that is to put x is equals to 0. x की जगह पे क्या पुट करेंगे? 0. चलो पुट करते हैं 0 माइनस y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. ओके, तो x की जगह पे 0 डाला, माइनस y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो आई गॉट y इज इक्वल्स टू -4. सो देयरफॉर उन्होंने पॉइंट भी लिख के दिया है, विच इज 0, -4. ओके, वी विल स्टॉप टिल दिस टुडे and I will explain to you all the graphical method in detail in the next lecture. Okay, till that time you please note down each and everything which I have taught in this lecture. Okay, thank you.